Have you ever pondered the process that turns simple ingredients into your favorite scoop of ice cream? If so, you're in for a treat as we unravel the frosty secrets of ice cream making. The journey of ice cream begins with the most basic ingredients: milk, cream, sugar, and flavorings. The magic starts to unfold when these elements blend together. The mixture is pasteurized, a process where it's heated and then rapidly cooled to eliminate bacteria and ensure it's safe to eat. Following pasteurization, the mixture is homogenized. This is a fancy term for breaking down the fat molecules in the cream to a smaller size so they can mix evenly with the liquid milk. This step gives the ice cream its smooth and creamy texture, preventing a buttery layer from forming on top. Once our mixture is pasteurized and homogenized, it's time to introduce flavor. Whether it's a simple vanilla bean, a handful of ripe strawberries, or a swirl of rich chocolate, the flavorings are added, and the mixture is stirred until everything is perfectly blended. Our ice cream mixture is then chilled to a cool 40 degrees Fahrenheit before being poured into an ice cream machine. This is where the transformation truly happens. As the mixture freezes, the machine constantly churns it. This churning incorporates air and breaks up ice crystals as they form, resulting in ice cream that's light, fluffy, and scoopable. After around 20 minutes of churning, the ice cream is finally at a soft-serve consistency, but we're not done yet. The soft ice cream is transferred into containers and sent to a blast freezer, which rapidly drops the temperature, further reducing ice crystal formation and giving the ice cream its final firm texture. In summary, ice cream making is a delicate dance of science and artistry. From the blending of milk, cream, sugar, and flavors, to pasteurization and homogenization, and finally, the churning and freezing, each step contributes to the creation of the creamy, dreamy dessert we all know and love. So the next time you enjoy a scoop of your favorite ice cream, remember the journey it's been on. From simple ingredients to a complex process, all to create that perfect, delightful treat. Enjoy your ice cream, knowing the mastery and magic that goes into every bite.